Hi friends, good evening. On behalf of Azure Wing, 2 Inch is back again with the current topic, suicidal tendencies in youth. The present day youth, they think about committing suicide on each and everything. Frustration, tension, depression, they don't care about their parents. Now this is really alarming and not a good situation. One of our favorite celebrity and loved Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide out of depression. Just in the age of 34 years. It is really shocking, hurt, breaking, as a matter of shock for each and every one of us. He did a blunder. He should have thought about his family, he should have thought about his mother, he should have thought about his relatives. But he didn't think. In the present day scenario, the students are also going on this ground, especially the teenagers. They don't think about their future. For every small thing, they have only one thing, will commit suicide. But suicide is not the solution to anything. God has given you life, but God has not permitted you to end your life. Work hard, work sincerely, do your work in a proper manner. Don't give any place to egos, emotions, sentiments, blah blah blah. Just think about your future, your education, your parents, your family. But no, the present day teenagers will not think on this ground due to the super ego prevalent inside them. It is wrong. It is wrong. It is wrong. Lord Christ said, if you have come to this world, do something for the world. Gita says, Quran says, Bible says, Guru Granth Sahib says, if you are born here, do something for the world. Don't end your life. Don't spoil your life in mindless pursuits. Every day is not a good day. But you all should remember one thing. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every morning shows a new day. And every day is new for us. So why should we fret? Why should we get tensed? We have to work hard, do our work, and we do everything with zest, energy, and we have to give our very best for everything. Because each and everyone knows life is not a bed of roses. It's a crown of thorns. We should not get shocked by the thorns. We should not get infected by the tensions and perils in our life. We should always think about our future. We should always think about doing something good for the nation, for the family, for the country. New generation, you have to avoid suicidal tendencies inside you and you do something good, something good, something good for the nation. Make your parents proud. Make your school proud. Make your teachers proud. Make everyone proud. You think that I am good, not best, but I can be better than all the best. So say no to suicide. Work hard and keep on fighting, because every morning shows the day. Every tunnel leads to an opening, and every sky helps you to reach the altitude. And always keep one thing in your mind, that life is the most important thing, most beautiful thing in this world, and we have no right to end our life. We have to accept all the challenges, all the tensions, and all the problems with zest, vigor, and energy. So my dear friends, join your hands, stay united, Say no to suicide. Say yes to life. Then only you can succeed in this world. Thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. On behalf of Azu Wings, I wish all of you all the best. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.